Hi, in this session we are going to deal with the free body diagram FBD. What do you mean by FBD? We know that it is a diagram which is free from its surroundings, or in simple words we can say the diagram which consisting of only the magnitude, direction and position of the resultant or the position of the forces known as free body diagram. So, we are going to write the free body diagram for any diagram in 5 simple steps. They are selection of point, then write the connected lines, then direction of the lines, then magnitude of the force, then angle. In simple words we can say we are going to write the free body diagram in 5 simple steps. They are point, line, direction, magnitude and angle. In this particular unit we are going to solve two types of problems. They are cable problems and ball problems. Here I took one example of each type. So, let us see how to write the free body diagram for the same. The first one, cable problem. It is the given problem. So, we need to write the free body diagram. First, selection of the point. Here we have 3 points A, B and C. At A only one line is connected, that is AC. At B only one line is connected, that is BC. But at C we have 3 lines connected, one is 500 Newton line, another one is CB, another one is CA. So, select the point which has more number of lines connected. So, we are going to select the C point. So, write the point. Then line, write the connected lines as it is. Here we have one inclined line and one horizontal line. So, I am going to write the lines. Write it roughly. Okay. Point is over, line is over. Then direction of the lines. For 500 Newton line, the direction is this one. CB and CA member, we need to calculate the member force. Initially, the member may subjected to tension or compression. Since it is a cable problem, all the members will be subjected to tension. Tension we are going to indicate it by the outside arrow, nothing but arrow acting away from the point. Write the outside arrow. Point, line, direction is over, then the magnitude. This line is 500 Newton. Then this line is, it is CB line. So, force in the member CB. Then this line is CA, that is force in the member CA. Point, line, direction and magnitude is over. Then what we need is angle. To get the angle, draw a plus mark at the point. So, at the point I am going to draw a plus mark. Once you wrote the plus mark, then write the angles. This AC line is making 50 degree with respect to vertical. Therefore, this AC or CA line is making 50 degree with respect to vertical. Then CB line is making 30 with respect to vertical. This CB line or BC line is making 30 degree with respect to vertical. Then if it is 30, then remaining thing will be 60. If it is 50, then the remaining thing is 40. This will be 90 degree, this will also 90 degree. It concludes the free body diagram at C point. We can write the free body diagram at C point. Okay, this is regarding cable problems. Now, let us look into the ball problems. Now, this is a ball problem. A ball is resting on two inclined planes and the ball is in contact with these two planes at 2 points, at A point as well as B point. Now, how to write the free body diagram? Here also we are going to follow 5-step method, that is point, line, direction, magnitude and angle. And for ball problems, we are going to write the free body diagram at the center point of the ball, at the center of the ball. So, write the center of the ball, that is the point, then write the connected lines. Here the connected lines are, the ball will be having the self weight, the weight always acts vertically downwards. So, write one vertical line. Okay. Then this ball is having a contact at this particular point, therefore the ball is doing some action on the plane. For every action there will be equal and opposite reaction. How the reaction is going to act? The reaction will act perpendicular to the contact plane at the contact point. So, the reaction will be perpendicular to this contact plane at this particular point and you will get inclined. So, write it like this, we are going to get the reaction like this. Then at this particular point also we are going to get one reaction, that reaction line will be perpendicular to this particular plane. So, write it. Point is over, line is over, then we need direction. This one is the weight, weight always acts vertically downwards. Then reaction, from this side we are the ball is doing the action, so from the opposite side there will be a reaction. Here also from the opposite side there will be a reaction. Then magnitude, this will be the weight of the ball, it will be given in the problem. Then this will be the reaction at the A point, then this will be a reaction at B point. So, point, line, direction and magnitude is over, then we need angle. For getting the angle, draw a plus mark at the point. So, here we can see this particular inclined plane, inclined line is making 60 with respect to horizontal. Then we got the reaction line which is perpendicular to this inclined line. So, this perpendicular line will make same 60 degree, but with respect to vertical 60. Here also this line is making 30 with respect to horizontal, then the perpendicular line, that is reaction line, will make same 30 degree with respect to opposite reference, that is vertical. If it is 30, then this will be 60. If it is 60, then the remaining will be 30. This will be 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. This is the free body diagram. Okay. In this way, we are going to calculate or we are going to write the free body diagram for cable as well as ball problems. Thank you.